Hi Hello Kitty fans! Today I'm going to be showing you a couple of items that I got from eBay. The first of which is this one, which as you can see is a My Melody padlock and key. It's really cute. As you can see, the key is sort of like My Melody's head. And so is the lock. Really cute. And then I also got these, which are adorable. And they're like little mini charms. They're like a baby dressed up as like several Sanrio characters. As you can see, this one is My Melody. This one is Batsmaru. I don't ever know how to pronounce his name. Batsmaru, I think. So that's that one. This one's Karopi. And of course, Hello Kitty. It's really adorable. I love these. Then you get like doubles. And some of them aren't in the best condition, as you can see. But they were on the cheap from eBay, so can't really complain. So yeah, they're my new little Hello Kitty / Sanrio characters. Thank you for watching.